I'll say it, I love nuts. All right, I'm all loosened up. Let's get to sewing. I'm gonna be making something real special. Something close to my heart, not physically, because I'm not gonna be wearing it. My sister is. She has contracted me to make her rehearsal dinner dress. I'm like doing a wall sit right now, and it's really hard. So I thought that I'd film it, because like it's gonna be really cute. So why wouldn't I? And I love to make dresses. It's like everything that I love. I can't breathe. Not cute. Nope. Ray's better than that. Sorry, Mom and Dad. Aww. Here's the fabric. Look. Actually, you can't really, you can't see it. Here's what we have. Can you say wow? Yeah. This stuff is beautiful. I did not thrift it. I got it from the fabric store. Because it's for a special occasion, you know? Let's get started. The sketchbook. Never heard of it. This is what we decided on. I don't know why I'm doing this vertically, but you're just gonna have to deal with it. This one is what we decided on. Very her. The one with a star by it. Duh. I'm super excited about it because it's gonna be adorable. We started off with the skirt from my striped shirt, elastic whatever tutorial. Insert images here. And then we're going with just a simple bodice and some adorable bow straps. So yeah, let's get started. So if you remember, let me sit down. Okay, what was I gonna say? Basically, I'm gonna make the same type of skirt that I made for my striped dress, but I'm gonna do it a little bit more methodically and not all willy-nilly because I just need to step up my game. You know, need to not be so impatient. One day I'm gonna be a mother, you know what I mean? Just need to like practice for that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 2 circle skirts. It was like a lot. Still catching my breath. Do a circle skirt. I don't know why I'm like sitting down and telling you all of this. I do this in every video and like, no, I should just show you.
Hello.
So for the circle skirt, there's like a billion circle skirt calculators online, and that's what I did. And I just added about 5 inches onto her waist measurement so I could, you know, have those gathers in the end at the waist. And that's pretty much it. It just calculates the radius for you. My fabric is folded in fourths so that when I unfold it, I'll get a complete circle. Okay? Okay. So for the bodice, I cut out a rectangle, just one long rectangle, as long as above the bust right here, plus 2 inches of seam allowance for the zipper in the back. And then I cut out 2 pieces of lining because this fabric is just like basically see-through. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna serge the top and kind of like join them all together so that from this point on I can just sew them all together as one piece, right? I'm just trying to think as I'm talking and it's not working out very well. And then after that, I'm gonna kind of fit it to the measurements after I kind of, So, gonna do that. Just did like 15 things and ate lunch. 15 things meaning procrastination. Procrastination, don't do it. So, where were we? Okay. Hi. Got remotivated because it's the next day. Anyway, we're back and we're pumped. So I had to have my sister try it on yesterday because I'm gonna make a long story short for you. Basically, we are not gonna do the ruffled part where it connects the bodice to the skirt, but we are gonna have the two-tiered skirt with the ruffled second tier, I guess. You know what I mean, you saw the design. I'm gonna have to take it in a little bit because I don't have enough fabric. It's just was gonna take way too much to do the full circle skirt and then the other tier with all the ruffles. So you probably don't care, but you are watching this video. So this is what's happening. So we're gonna put the skirt on like this, right? It's just gonna look like this circle skirt. And what I'm gonna do is take some away from the bottom. So kind of get rid of some of the full circle in order to get rid of all this fabric so that the bottom diameter isn't as big as it was before. You get it. You get it? I hope so, because I'm moving on now. Here's where it's gonna fit her in the waist here. We don't have any problem with that. All I did was get rid of some of the full diameter of the circle skirt. So I measured from here to here so I know how long my other tier should be, and I should add a few more inches to that to make the ruffles happen. So here's what I got, and it is not long enough. So basically what I'm gonna do is I have plenty of width here, so I'm just gonna have to do 2 side seams, which is totally fine. I'm out of breath. I know this is kind of annoying and confusing maybe to you, but I wanted to share this because like I run into problems like this all the time when I'm sewing, and usually there's like a way around it. So I just wanted to share this little problem that I had and how I'm working around it. Before we go any further with the second tier of the skirt, I wanna stitch the skirt onto the bodice. I wanna stitch the skirt onto the bodice, but oh my god, I know what I'm doing, I promise. But in order to do that, I have to make 2 darts on the bodice here because otherwise it's not gonna fit well. So the darts are gonna go here and here, right up to the nips. And it's gonna fit really nice. So in order to do that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the measurements from the waist and the full bust. And I'm basically just going to, why do I do this? Okay, so here's my flat out bodice right here. I've marked the 2 nips with pins right here so that I'll know where to end the darts and where they're gonna extend down to. So my difference between the full bust measurement and the waist measurement is 6 inches. So basically that means each dart is gonna be 3 inches. I'm gonna turn it over on the wrong side and I'm gonna fold it into a little V or like a triangle. I'm not gonna fold it in a V. I'm stupid. I'm gonna fold it in half like this. Here's where my pin is on the other side, and that's where I want my dart to end. So now all I have to do is measure 3 inches. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, stupid again. Here we go. I'm gonna measure 1.5, right? Yes, the same goes for the other side. And then what I'm gonna do on my machine is sew from here to all the way up to here. Just like this on the wrong side of the fabric, boom. So that it will be a cute little dart in the end. And that's frickin' it. We're getting somewhere. It's sort of looking like a dress. Super cute. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and install the zipper in the back. And then we will work on the second tier of the skirt. Wow. I love cashews. Nuts in general. I'll say it, I love nuts. Damn! But I cannot control myself around nuts, and this is why I never buy them. This is almost empty. That's a problem, because when I eat too many nuts, I get insanely bloated and gassy and poopy. I cannot control myself. Somebody needs to cut my nuts off. Like somebody just needs to chop them off. I'm dead serious though. Stop. Cut my nuts off! Somebody cut my nuts off. Cut me off from nuts. This is a cry for help. I love nuts. Alright guys, listen up. I got the zipper in, and that was huge. Came to some conclusions. Just plain and simple, we don't have enough to do a frilly second tier, okay? So it's not gonna happen. Very sad, but we're gonna make it work. Oh my god, can you totally see through this? Oh wait, no, I'm wearing a slip. What was I gonna say? So our only other option is to do the second tier because this is too short, but without ruffles. So I'm just gonna have to do it because like that's the only other option. Sorry, Al. I'm the worst. It's gonna turn out looking cute. Guaranteed gonna look very nice. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, shut up. Shh, everybody shut up. I got the second tier to ruffle. Look at this. It's ruffly. Can you, okay, don't, I know what you're thinking. It doesn't matter how I got here, but I got here and it's so cute.